ಗೈಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇಂಜುಲರ್ ಮಾತಾಡಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು ನನ್ನ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ಟಿಕ್ಲಾಗೆ ಅಂತಿಕೊಂತಿಲ್ಲ. இந்த ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ಜೈಪುರದ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಫೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂಬೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಅಡನಿಗ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ತಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಮಸ್ತ್ ಶೋಗುದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಟ್ಲಾಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಪೋಯ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇದ್ದಾದ ಪುರ ಇಂಚ ಪುರ ಉಂಡು ಬಲೆ ಪೋಯ್. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಫೋಟೋದ ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಫೋಟೋದ ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನ ಮಿತ್ತು ಪೋಯ್ ಮಿತ್ತು ಎಡಿಟ್ ತೂಪ್ನ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಪುರ ಉಂಡು ಪೋಯ್.
Fingers stained with blood.
टिकट यार आ गया दो टिकट.
मस्त
Come on man, ask him what is this?
ಬಾಬಾ
ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರ ಬನ್ನಿ.
In that tank is bottom copper plate, and below copper plate there is we have two holes. Some wooden, some stick is put here. After put fire, heat goes up from the hole. And on top, copper plate one. By the copper plate, water goes that side in the tank. That water supply from here to by pipe. In hammam, in body massage, we can see them. Like steam massage, jacuzzi, dressing room, other side. So this is Mughal style chimney, you can say.
ಎಂತ ಮಾರ
This room was dressing, body massage, jacuzzi, and there water tank. There is two water tanks, hot water and cold water. Below this tank we have chimney like a geyser system. From other side water going here and this water supplying from there. Water release from here to the channel, water goes, steam came up. And with the steam that here, steam massage, see the ceiling design like a diamond corner shape. Body massage room, dressing and that room for the bath. Jacuzzi. Yeah, see there. Pipeline also. Hot, cold, fragrance like a jasmine, rose, everything mixed at that time. And giving them what? Then tried 99 toilet in the palace. Somewhere single, somewhere 8-9 together, and there's dual.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತೋರ್ಮ ಟಾಯ್ಲೆಟ್ ಉಂಟು
Two ladies are there and two unisex. Transgenders they can use. Come. Same design, same color, even now used on the fabric on the garment.
Amul Panji, group photo.
Very famous for the 100 Kamal and Maharani. Please.
ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಹಾ ಅದೇ ರಿಯಲ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಎಂದು ಪೂರ ರಿಯಲ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲಕ ತೋಜುನತ ಮಾತ ಅಂದ ಸೊ
Mirror Palace.
ಒಂದು ಮಿರರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಬಸ್ Kenya. What is this?
Mirror Palace. Sea smell, it is called sea smell. In the 17th century, all mirrors, Kannadi, they import from Belgium. These are all Belgium mirrors and are convex mirrors. So they have good quality. Winter time, you put one light here, one light goes up and reflects from the mirror. It's sounding hot like a heater system. You know, winter is so cold here. Reason we have.
ವಾಯ್ಸ ಬಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ
So this place for the queens, for the royal queens. They can watch royal queens. They can watch Maharani from here to downside public meeting, ceremony, function, festival. Everything they can see, but can't see anybody from downside. Queens. Yeah.
ರಾಣಿಯರು ಮಹಾರಾಣಿಯರು
Put there.
Release me, set me free. Release me, set me free. So lost, so torn, can't help, need more. So lost, so torn.
From here to its goal in Jet. Tunnel for tunnel is closed. Yeah, that is not closed. Open for tourist. From another way, for another by road you can go there.
From tunnel you can.
Tunnel is not open. Tunnel is closed. After COVID, it's closed.
ಇದು ಟನಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ
Tunnel you can see 500 meter. Royal Queens, they wear heavy costumes, heavy jewelry like a Marani, Bandhani sarees. So couldn't walk. Sit in the cart, it's carried by the transgender. Carrier transgenders.
From which one?
See there?
This one.
So many grills, so many holes are not there for the air, for the breath. Breath in Rajasthan, we have so hot and so strong. So western side we have desert, Thar desert. Hot storm air come from there by holes. And water fill down from the middle by the arch. Water mixed to air, fresh. Outside they used to put there khaskhas grass curtains. Then all entered at the inside keep cooling. And extra water goes from here to through the channel in garden. No waste any drop. See in the ceiling, these are hooks. They used to put those there, swing chair. After swinging them, put that to water, they feel in the summertime, so relaxed. So it's called Sukh Mandir, means pleasure house for the summer season. Summertime here, winter time and living house, that is Sisma. So it is Sukh Mandir, and that is Sisma. Original door, sandalwood, interior door, sandalwood door. And on the door, white, that is ivory. From elephant tusk, elephant teeth. Same this garden design, garden image, it was on that door. But people slowly.
आप देख के जाइए आपकी टिकट में है देखो आए तो घूमते फिरते भाई तो है ना अंदर कीले मिले जितने भी ये हटा दिया चला जाओ
to like, share, and subscribe.